Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. India's first telecom manufacturing zone, TMZ, is planned to be set up in which state? DMJ. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. India's first telecom manufacturing zone, TMZ, is planned to be set up in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Sariyana Badil. DMJ. Question 2. The Mahandi River water dispute primarily involves which two Indian states? The correct answer is Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Mahandi River water dispute is a long-standing issue between the states of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Recently, the Gujarat government announced financial relief for flood-hit traders in which districts? The correct answer is Valsad and Navsari. The Gujarat government announced financial relief for flood-hit traders in Valsad and Navsari districts. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which state recently submitted an El Nano action plan to the central government, recommending a contingency package? The correct answer is Telangana. Telangana government recently submitted an El Nano action plan with a recommended contingency package. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which of the following is considered the best quality iron ore, known for its high iron content? The correct answer is magnetite. Magnetite is considered the best quality iron ore, containing up to 70% iron. Sariyana Badil. Yerubadil Sadavedam. Question 6. According to Alfred Weber's theory of industrial location, industries tend to locate at points where the total cost of which of the following is minimized? The correct answer is transportation and labor. Weber's theory emphasizes that industries choose locations that minimize the combined costs of transportation and labor. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. The Ghawar field, one of the world's largest conventional oil fields, is located in which country? The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. The Ghawar field is an enormous oil field located in the Al-Asa Governorate, Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. Which continent is the largest producer of copper in the world? The correct answer is South America. South America, primarily due to Chile and Peru, is the largest producer of copper globally. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Historically, the cotton textile industry often flourished in regions with a humid climate. What is the primary reason for this? The correct answer is prevention of thread breakage. Humid climates help prevent cotton threads from breaking during spinning and weaving, leading to smoother production. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following mountain ranges is known for its significant hydroelectric power potential due to its steep gradients and numerous rivers? The correct answer is Himalayas. The Himalayas, with their high altitude, steep slopes, and numerous perennial rivers, poses immense hydroelectric potential. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which country is the world's largest producer of sulfur? The correct answer is China. According to recent geological surveys, China is consistently among the top, often the largest, producer of elemental sulfur globally. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants the right to establish and administer educational institutions to minorities? The correct answer is Article 30. Article 30 of the Indian Constitution specifically deals with the rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Sariyana Badil, Muppadil. Muppadil. Question 13. The three jewels, Triratna, of Buddhism are? The correct answer is Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. The three jewels or Triratna in Buddhism are the Buddha, the teacher, the Dhamma, the teachings, and the Sangha, the community of practitioners. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Which biome is characterized by permafrost, low-growing vegetation, and a short growing season? The correct answer is tundra. The tundra biome is defined by its permanently frozen subsoil, permafrost, cold temperatures, and limited, low-growing plant life. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which of the following is not a tool of fiscal policy? The correct answer is open market operations. Open market operations are a tool of monetary policy, typically conducted by a central bank, not fiscal policy. Sariyana Badil. Question 16. India's first telecom manufacturing zone, TMZ, is set to be established in which city? DMJ? The correct answer is C. Gwalior. The Department of Telecommunications signed an MoU with the government of Madhya Pradesh for the establishment of India's first telecom manufacturing zone, TMZ, in Gwalior. Sariyana Badil, C. DMJ. Question 17. The Mahandi River water dispute, which has been in the news, primarily involves which two Indian states? The correct answer is A. Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Mahandi River water dispute primarily involves the states of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Sariyana Badil, A. Question 18. Recently, the Gujarat government announced financial relief for flood-hit traders in which two districts? The correct answer is C. Valsad and Navsari. The Gujarat government announced financial relief to flood-hit traders in Valsad and Navsari districts. Sariyana Badil, C. Question 19. Which of the following continents holds the largest proven reserves of crude oil? The correct answer is B. Asia. The Middle East region, which is part of Asia, holds the largest proven reserves of crude oil globally. Sariyana Badil, B. Question 20. The Ruhr region, located in Germany, is historically renowned for its significant contribution to which of the following industries? The correct answer is C. Coal mining and steel production. The Ruhr region is historically known as a major industrial hub for coal mining and steel production. Sariyana Badil, C. Question 21. Which country is the world's largest producer of bauxite, the primary ore for aluminum? The correct answer is A. Australia. Australia consistently ranks as the world's largest producer of bauxite. Sariyana Badil, A. Question 22. Which of the following regions is often referred to as the granary of Europe due to its fertile soil and high agricultural output? The correct answer is C. Ukrainian steppe. The Ukrainian steppe, with its rich Chernozem soil, is traditionally known as the granary of Europe. Sariyana Badil, C. Question 23. The Silicon Valley in California, USA, is globally recognized as a leading hub for which industry? The correct answer is C. Information technology and high-tech. Silicon Valley is famous worldwide as the center of the information technology and high-tech industries. Sariyana Badil, C. Question 24. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provisions regarding the distribution of powers and functions between the Union and the states? The correct answer is C. 7th Schedule. The 7th Schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the distribution of legislative powers between the Union and the states through three lists: Union List, State List, and Concurrent List. Sariyana Badil, C. Question 25. What is the primary cause of acid rain? The correct answer is B. Emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Acid rain is primarily caused by the emission of sulfur dioxide, SO, and nitrogen oxides, NOx, into the atmosphere, which then react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form acidic pollutants. Sariyana Badil, B. SO, NOx. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.